Greetings to the universe. All praises due to Almighty El. This is last Monday. One ship, two ship, Nibiru. Crystal City. Hand of God. The day prior in Texas. Same system. Going through the clouds at night. What you seen is some plasma from Friday night, last Friday. Thanks to Earth Dog for
approximately 1:30 a.m. I'm sure there's gonna be some YouTube videos. This is looking northwest, and got the Crystal City passing through. It's doing a whole lot behind the clouds. That's not lightning. There's no thunder. That's straight plasma. Oh yeah, I see the big cloud coming. Nibiru is coming.
official report for this evening and last Friday was thunderstorms, as most people are getting in their neighborhood or locally. Thunderstorm, storm tonight, possibly rain showers, whatever, flash flooding. Now it's all plasma. It's all depending on how low or how close the dragonfly is flying back. The wind is picking up in this video. It's almost like hurricane, almost force wind.
The wind is coming. Oh man, I feel that breeze. Big mama's coming. Oh boy. I feel like I'm in a movie. Oh man. This is amazing. I hear the wind picking up. That sounds like rain. Oh boy. That does sound like rain. Big mama's coming. Yes, she is. Yes, she is. Wow.
Sounded like rain, but it was basically a very light sprinkle, but mostly the leaves making most of the noise. It was hair raising for me. Because I could feel the magnetics.
She's coming. Glory, glory, hallelujah.
Officers showed up at the end of the video just to make sure that I was alright, because I had my hazards on. This is basically what's going on. This is from South Dakota. You're basically looking at the northeast. And this is 4:15 a.m. And I got this on Wednesday. As you can see, this is the blue Kachina. And as you can see, the magnetics in between the shield that's been formed by the Archangel ship, as I've been showing you all the time. See that? 445. See the spiral? This is nibble, all nibble. The 520 a.m. Now the sun is rising at 5:45. And this has been going on most of the week, as people's videos showed them in the northeast. And I heard over 3:30 the same day, they're coming back. They're heading to the north. And this is what I was seeing that night previous week to this. Mist coming in. See that? This is the same place looking to the east where the sun rises, and look at what just happened. Look at that. 7 p.m. looking to the northeast. So people in Seattle, Washington, Oregon, Canada, they got to see this. And I'm sure they were going bananas about it. Look at that. This is the northeast at sunset. Look at that. Look at that. And this is what I was seeing. It's a clear sky. There's the stars in the sky. So, you don't need a webcam to see that. Because I got it again. Got it again on the 24th. This was Monday. This was the day that Igor said he caught it in the north. Now, this is looking northeast. And look at that hand. This is the same thing that I showed you at night as I started. And look at that. That's the Nibiru family up in there. So you don't necessarily need a webcam to see this. It's passing by every day, everywhere. I sat down and I got to see it just pass right by me. Another evening, it was higher up. Crystal City, the news on top, and all the other ships are in here. I believe this was last Thursday. And there's no denying it, because right after it passed by, the blue Kachina was up here, and this is the red Kachina right here, coming in like a red dragon. It's undeniable, folks. It's undeniable. Look at that. It looks like a dragon flying in, and it's right here. Within the cloud itself. So these things are self-evident. This is the same day, looking northwest. This is the same as this. This is looking northeast. And this is looking northwest. Same Crystal City below. Same hand of God. It's doing its thing. It's making that anti-clockwise rotation. You got a ship here, and Nibiru is up high above this, and the red Kachina is coming in behind it. So, as I was saying earlier in the video, thanks to Earth Dog, he's one of my earliest subscribers that he stuck around. And I appreciate the support of Earth Dog. This was a year ago. This was over Seattle. As you can see, this is not augmented in any way. Live screenshot. You see the 12 ships are up in there. This is blue. This is the blue Kachina. This is Nibiru. It's the red Kachina. And this is that big cloud that you usually see passing by. Now this is 6 p.m. See, this was June 19, 2018. 6:28 p.m. There's no denying what's going on there. You can't see this view of Seattle anymore. This is 7:58. There's no denying what's going on. Because the only time you see the sun here is in the morning. And this is what the sun looks like in the morning, and not all year. This was from the same day, early in the morning. This is where the sun rose, and it went this way, to the east, heading towards the west. This is northeast, east. This is where the sun sets. The sun sets off screen, and it's reflecting off of this building. This is in the evening. So, as I showed you in my last video, this was the same thing. Nibiru with the Crystal City, the red Kachina, and the blue Kachina on top. This camera has recently been refixed to just show this little piece and the dock. You can't see anything here and back. Now this camera has just been removed totally. Now these two people had their phones out, and this is 8:45. This is from my last video. This is after sunset. Now you see what's going on. Same thing. Blue Kachina, red Kachina is back there. Nibiru is in there, and the Crystal City's flying around. So the things that I show you are 100% facts. This is the same thing you're seeing here. This was last Monday. Not this Monday, but Monday before. Monday the 17th, the day after Father's Day. This was the day that Igor said he saw it going north. Now this is looking to the northwest, as the sun is rising behind us. This is the same cloud going through Texas on Father's Day. Lightning, plasma, probably no thunder. I was sitting there last Thursday, and the Crystal City just came in and made this eye. This made me feel like it was watching me. And that's the day this happened. Nibiru passed by. The red Kachina passed after it, looking like a red dragon. Looking northwest, same thing. And you know, this is Wednesday morning, I believe, June 26th. Some people are wondering, well, why are they cone trailing certain areas? This is the reason they're cone trailing. It's the same reason that I just showed you from that night. Now, what we can see here is at 6:43, and this is Naples. And you're basically looking to your southeast, southeast, because the sun sets over here. So this is the Crystal City coming in. 6:58 Eastern Time. That's it right here. Then kind of pop out. That's the reason the camera got moved. And that's the reason some of these cameras are off. So it has nothing to do with the sun. The sun sets off to the right. Now this is Atlanta. This is to show you how far this takes place. Same time, 6:30. This is where we're looking. Where we were just looking was in Naples, looking at the dock. And here it is, we could see it here. All the way in Atlanta. 300-400 miles away. This is the sun going down to the right. See what's going on. That's really going down as the Crystal City's during the spring. And then it took off and went towards the sunset. It did the same thing in the video from Naples. secret anymore. Same day, looking northwest. Same thing is going on. I'm gonna take that. This is from Ohio. Same thing is going on. This is how far this thing reaches. It goes 500,000 miles, 2,000 miles under the planet, back in no time, a split seconds. It moves with the speed of light. Nothing that man has built or ever dreamed of is doing it. It's doing it right now. It's doing kind of clockwise. Now it's going to take off on her forwards to say. While it's doing that, Midway's up overhead. So you're pretty much looking at Naples, Florida, from Atlanta, from Ohio, and we're looking all this way, and the crystal ship is doing this. As the sun was setting all the way over here. So, as usual, thanks for tuning in. Thanks to Earth Dog once again. Thanks to my other three pillars, Urge Joe, Fernando, B-Man. You guys be safe. God bless. Thanks for tuning in.